Good morning, dear students. Let us begin our online classes today. Yesterday and day before yesterday, you studied about expansion lesson and solved questions from exercise 4A. Questions from 1 up to 3 you solved and learnt. Today let us solve question number 4 from the same exercise 4A. Exercise 4A. Question number 4. Evaluate. Question is A divided by 2B plus 2B by A all square minus A divided by 2B minus 2B divided by A all square minus 4. Once more, question 4, evaluate. A divided by 2B plus 2B by A all square minus A divided by 2B minus 2B by A all square minus 4. It is clear from this question. Here we can apply the identity A plus B all square. The same way, here we can apply the identity A minus B all square. Using these two identities, A plus B all square and A minus B all square identities, we can expand this. So, solution. A upon 2B plus 2B by A all square minus A by 2B minus 2B by A all square minus 4 is equal to A divided by 2B all square plus 2 into A divided by 2B into 2B divided by A plus 2B by A all square minus, put a bracket here. You can see one negative sign here. So, A divided by 2B all square minus 2 into A divided by 2B into 2B divided by A plus 2B by A all square, then close the bracket, minus 4. Again, this is equal to A divided by 2B all square plus, here we can cancel this 2 and 2, B, B, A and A, then we get here 2. Then again plus 2B by A all square minus, after removing this big bracket, removing the bracket, we get A divided by 2B all square minus into minus is plus. Here also, after the cancellation, you get plus 2. Again, minus into plus, minus 2B by A all square minus 4, which is equal to, you can notice this A by 2B all square minus A by 2B all square. One is positive A by 2B all square, other is negative A by 2B all square. After cancelling, we get 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here also you can notice 2b by a whole square. This is positive term. Positive 2b by a whole square minus 2b by a whole square. Cancel this. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then minus 4 is equal to 0. So 0 is the solution, answer. After evaluating the given question, we reach at this result. Again, let's continue the next question. For second question, evaluate 4a plus 3b all square minus 4a minus 3b all square plus 48ab. Please look at the question. Evaluate 4a plus 3b whole square minus 4a minus 3b whole square plus 48ab. Solution. 4a plus 3b whole square minus 4a minus 3b whole square plus 48ab is equal to, expand this, 4a whole square plus 2 into 4a into 3b plus 3b whole square. Here we use the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then again minus, here also expand this, 4a whole square minus 2 into 4a into 3b plus 3b whole square plus 48ab, which is equal to 4a whole square plus, multiply 2 into 4 into 3, 24 ab plus 3b whole square. Remove the bracket, minus 4a whole square, minus into minus plus, plus 24, multiply this, 4 into 2 into 3, for 24 ab plus into minus, minus into positive, minus 3b whole square plus 48ab. Then you can carefully notice this, 4a whole square plus 4a whole square minus 4a whole square. Cancel this. Then again plus 3b whole square minus 3b whole square. After cancellation we get this result. Then add 24ab plus 24ab, 48ab plus the last term plus 48ab. Once more, this 24ab plus 24ab, 48ab plus the last term 48ab. Therefore the last step is, after adding these two terms we get 96ab. This is the required result. Again let us continue to solve question number 5. Question 5. A plus B is equal to 7 and AB is equal to 10. Find A minus B. Please read the question. A plus B is equal to 7. This value of A plus B is given in the question, and the value of AB is equal to 10 given in the question. We are asked to find out A minus B. So let us use the identity A plus B all square minus A minus B all square is equal to 4AB. Please look at the board. A plus B all square minus A minus B all square is equal to 4AB. You have already learned this identity, and after writing this identity here, substitute the value of A plus B. A plus B equal to 7 given in the question. Substituting A plus B is equal to 7, 7 square minus A minus B all square is equal to 4 into AB is given in the question. The value of AB is equal to 10. So substitute in the place of AB 10. So you get 4 into 10. Again it becomes 49 minus A minus B all square is equal to 40. You can see this term is negative term. We have to find out the value of A minus B. Here it is minus A minus B all square. So it becomes, after transferring this term from LHS to RHS, it becomes A minus B all square is equal to 49 minus 40, and which is equal to plus 9. So A minus B is equal to plus or minus root 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3. So the value of A minus B equal to plus or minus 3 is the required answer. Please you look in the solution part of this question and learn, copy it in your notebook and learn it and practice it. Again, let us go to the next question, number 6. Question number 6. A minus B is equal to, if A minus B equal to 7 and AB equal to 18, find A plus B. Please read the question carefully. If A minus B equal to 7, that is, the value of A minus B is given in the question, and AB is equal to 18, the value of AB is equal to 18 given in the question. Find out A plus B. Again here we are going to apply the identity A plus B all square minus A minus B all square is equal to 4AB. Please look at the board very carefully. And after writing this identity, substitute the values A plus B all square. The value of A plus B we have to find out. So A plus B all square we write as it is. Minus A minus B, the value of A minus B equal to 7 given in the question. So it becomes 7 square is equal to 4 into the value of AB is equal to 18. So it becomes 4 into 18. Again, A plus B all square minus 49 is equal to 72. We have to find out the value of A plus B, which is a positive time here. So write A plus B all square. Then in this side, taking or transferring this negative 49 to RHS, you get 72 plus 49. Then again A plus B all square is equal to 121 after adding 72 and 49. Then again A plus B is equal to plus or minus root 121 is equal to plus or minus 11. Please read the solution and try to understand how this whole question is solved. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. After writing the required identity, we are substituting the values of A minus B and AB. Then simplifying further, we reach at the answer, that is A plus B equal to plus or minus 11. This is the required result. Again, let us continue to solve the next question. Question number 7. If x plus y equal to 7 by 2, if x plus y is equal to 7 by 2 and xy equal to 5 by 2 and xy is equal to 5 by 2, find x minus y. Find, there are two sub questions, x minus y, again the second part is x square minus y square. First let us find out x minus y. Solution. To find out x minus y, we choose required identity, that is x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square equal to 4xy. You have already learned the identities, but in that identities you use A and B. In the place of x, you used A, and in the place of y, you used B. That is only difference here. X in place of A, here it is x, and in place of B, here it is y. That is the only change you can notice here. X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is equal to 4xy. Now let us substitute the given values. X plus y is equal to 7 by 2 given in the question. So it becomes 7 by 2 whole square minus x minus y whole square equal to 4 into the value of xy is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. And after squaring 7 by 2, we get 49 by 4 minus x minus y whole square is equal to. You can cancel this way. Cut 4 by 2, it is 2. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So we get 49 by 4 minus x minus y whole square is equal to plus 10. Then you can notice here this is a negative term. Minus x minus y whole square. So taking this negative term to RHS, we get x minus y whole square is equal to 49 by 4 minus 10. And simplify this further. It is equal to 49 minus 40 divided by 4. Again it becomes 9 by 4. So x minus y whole square is equal to 9 by 4, and x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. Please look at the solution, how the question is solved. The second part of the question number 7. Find x square minus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. You have studied this in previous class. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. And in question number 1, sub-question number 1, the value of x minus y we calculated. The value of x minus y is plus or minus 3 by 2. And the value of x plus y is given in the question. Now let us substitute these the given values. Plus or minus 7 by 2 into 3 by 2, which is equal to plus or minus 21 by 4. That is, the value of x square minus y square is equal to plus or minus 21 by 4. Dear students, let us conclude today's class now. We will continue our classes tomorrow.